Welcome to Macau.
Hello from Macau, where we are spending the next 4 hours, which is clearly not enough.
This is gonna be the craziest, busiest, funnest 4-hour video we've ever made.
By the way, if you're new here, my name is Steph. I'm traveling with my husband Pete, our son Hayes, my parents Ken and Ellen, and our friend Sarah, her son Adrian, and her parents too. Hong Kong, where we just spent a few days, and Macau, were actually me and Pete's first international trip together in 2009. We haven't been back since. And we came from Shanghai, where we were living, and where we also met our friend Sarah, who you'll see in this video. Right now we're in the historic part of Macau, but we actually started our day near all of the casinos.
Do you like Harry Potter?
No!
That's fair enough.
But I have
What's a 6-inch voice? Remember
No.
6-inch voices?
no.
Yeah, that's
Our first stop in Macau is in the area where all the casinos are at the Venetian to go to Team Lab, which is the Japanese immersive art experience that we went to in Tokyo. But this is wild because there's nobody here. And when we were in Tokyo, I think there was like 250 people in line with us. So just know they have them outside of Japan.
This is so cool. It feels like it's so much bigger than what it actually is. It's really,
What about being here with no people?
yeah, this is such a different experience. This is my favorite. This is so much fun. They have fans coming on, which like spins all the balls around. And I swear some are filled, some are lighter than others, so some like float away really easily. This is so back by popular demand. Pete going down a slide.
1, 2, 3, go! The famous, okay, now we have like an hour left in Macau. The one egg tart place I put on our list is sold out till 2. We lost our friends. I dropped us in the Chinese part, not the Portuguese part, which is really cool. We just don't have time to see everything. It's just a bit of a disaster in Macau. Not the only ones here. Okay, we finished the Team Labs. Clock is ticking. I tried to go get us egg tarts. We failed. And now we've come to the old ruins of the church, and we're having traditional Portuguese pork chop sandwiches. Let's go see what this tastes like.
When in Macau, apparently you gotta get a huge pork chop. I mean, look at the size of that, with an egg and a bread roll. That's good. It tastes like a pork chop.
When's the last time you had one of these?
It's been like 10 years. It's so juicy and sweet and salty at the same time. It's amazing.
Do they even do this in?
It's like a bifana.
Yeah, but that they do like thinner. They like.
Yeah.
This is like an actual like full-on pork chop that they have just cooked. You want to bite?
With bone in it.
Yeah.
Keep it in.
I want to taste some of the egg.
The egg. Okay.
So Sarah and I lived in China. Sarah lived in China for a long time. I only
Long
lived there
time.
for 2 years.
I lived there like almost 10.
I forgot it had 1 billion people. I feel like this is a little taste of what it's like being a tourist in China.
Yeah.
I don't know, I can't remember.
Well,
But
being in
it's
China.
busy.
Just being in
Or
China.
being in China.
Yeah, just being in China in general. Oh.
Luckily, Hayes and Adrian stand out. So
Yes.
hopefully we won't lose them.
Then we got the buddy system going on. So if we lose someone,
They're together. We'll lose them together. And they'll be cute little blonde boys roaming the streets of Macau.
we don't want to lose the grand. Stick your hand out here, and they'll just give you beef jerky. Watch this. I'm sticking my hand out here.
You don't even need eye contact. I hope it works. Sarah's trying to prove it.
This is how you know. This is how you know.
Show me what happens when you put your hand there.
What happens?
Sticking my hand. Oh no! I was wrong.
This takes me back to when we lived in Shanghai. You just got to be like, bold and confident.
Whose idea was it to come to Macau on a Saturday? We somehow still haven't had an egg tart. I wanted to go to Lord Stowe's, which has an outlet of the Venetian, and Jolly said it was really good. It was like that more Portuguese style. Like I said, limited time here. We had to cut that. We had to cut playing blackjack. And now we're walking towards the main square. We'll have like 5 minutes to see it before we have to get a taxi to the ferry. What are your impressions of Macau?
Busy, busy, busy. Not how I pictured it. Adorable, but busy, busy, busy.
2 boxes. 2 boxes. I'm just getting 1 box for
I
me.
think this place is famous.
It is. It's really.
It's number one.
It's really famous. It's.
I also saw this sign over there in another shop. Yeah.
They're girthy. Girthy egg tarts.
Again?
The girthy. 1, 2, 3. Just 2.
I don't know. Oh, you really? It's not good.
Oh, okay.
What is this one?
Anyone else for an egg tart?
Okay, boys, talk us through it.
What is this one?
It's an egg tart.
Is it the same one in Chattanooga?
Yeah.
All right.
Chattanooga.
Cheers. Cheers.
Egg tart.
Yay, egg tarts.
2 thumbs up.
5 thumbs up. No, we
2
can't.
thumbs up. And 10 fingers.
We did it. We have 11 minutes before we need to get a taxi back to the ferry. It's warm. Is it good?
It's so funny to see this.
Pete and Hayes have been eating these from the 7-Eleven in Chiang Mai. We've been eating them from any old place in Hong Kong. I've waited for this moment. And I'm glad. It's very good. The grandmas are exchanging numbers.
We are,
Hey.
and we're happy to.
Let me put you in.
Okay.
Whose trip was successful on that front?
This is the funniest Macau trip I've ever had.
We're back on the ferry. We're on our way to Hong Kong. So that was how you spend 4 hours in Macau. Did we do Macau justice? Absolutely not. Did we have a fun day? I think so.
I had
it was a great
blast.
day. We gotta get back because we gotta go on a night out in Hong Kong, which I think will actually have been the video prior to this. So if you're new here, go watch that one.
Egg tart. Anyone?
We still have 6 egg tarts.
Egg tarts.
Thank you for watching.
Anyone for an egg tart? They're not
Come to
doing it themselves.
Macau. Did I say Hong Kong this whole time? I don't
We're
even know.
Macau.
Come to Macau. Do it better than us. Let us know what you did that was better than us.
But it's a
With
trip and a
every-
half. Do it.
Chase